Okay, now please tell me this is not how you make your ginger tea, because this is ineffective, powerless, useless, incapable, weak, and failed ginger tea. Now let me show you how to make real good ginger tea. The amount of ginger you'll be needing depends on how much tea you want to make. I'm not making a lot, so I'm not using a lot. Now I'm just removing the skin. But you do not have to do it. It's really optional. Okay, I know I shouldn't be playing with my food, but you can't tell me this doesn't look like an animal. It's irresistible. Okay, now keep scraping the skin off. And this part is optional, but I'm cutting my ginger into small pieces. But it doesn't matter because you'll be blending it anyways. Now I'm using 2 cups of water. But the amount of water you use depends on how spicy you want your ginger tea to be. So the less water you use, the spicier it'll be and the more effective it'll be. Now, in a pot, you want to boil the ginger water we made. Once it's ready, make sure to sieve your tea because you don't want little bits of ginger annoying you while you're drinking your tea. In the mug, you're gonna pour some ginger tea. Make sure it's hot. I'm adding honey, but it's optional. Okay. Oof, now this ginger tea is good. Make sure to drink it when it's hot because that's when it's the most effective. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please ring the bell to make sure to be notified whenever I post a good video, okay? Now, stay safe, healthy, and drink some tea. And share this video and get all fat and sassy.
Eat bread and desserts and just get all fat and sassy.